SuperRare is a unique platform that operates as a decentralized marketplace for digital art, specifically focusing on non-fungible tokens, NFTs. These NFTs are essentially one-of-a-kind, collectible digital art pieces that are secured by blockchain technology, ensuring their authenticity and scarcity. SuperRare enables artists to showcase and sell their digital artworks while providing collectors with a secure way to invest in and trade these valuable digital assets. To make money online with SuperRare in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. Research and understand the digital art and NFT market. Familiarize yourself with the world of digital art and NFTs, their value, and how they differ from traditional art. Study the current trends, popular artists, and the factors that contribute to the success of a digital artwork on SuperRare. Create your own digital art or collaborate with an artist. If you have artistic skills, create your own digital art. If not, collaborate with a talented artist who can help you produce unique digital artwork. Ensure that your artwork is visually appealing, innovative, and stands out from the competition. Set up a digital wallet and acquire cryptocurrency. To transact on SuperRare, you'll need a digital wallet compatible with Ethereum, the cryptocurrency used on the platform. Set up a wallet, like MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet, and purchase ETH to cover transaction fees and artwork purchases. Create a profile on SuperRare. Sign up for a user account on the SuperRare platform, complete your profile, and set up your virtual gallery to showcase your digital artwork. Mint your digital artwork as an NFT. To make your digital artwork a unique NFT, you'll need to mint it on the SuperRare platform. This process involves converting your digital artwork into a non-fungible token using blockchain technology. You'll need to pay a gas fee in ETH for this process. Once minted, your NFT will be listed on your gallery. Set a fair price for your NFT. Research the market and similar NFTs to determine a fair price for your artwork. Consider factors such as the artist's reputation, the artwork's uniqueness, and current market trends. Set a reserve price, the lowest price at which you're willing to sell your NFT, and an asking price. Promote your digital artwork. Share your artwork on social media platforms, art communities, and other relevant online spaces to attract potential collectors and increase its visibility. Engage with the art community and build a network of supporters. Monitor your NFT's performance. Keep track of your NFT's performance on the platform, including views, favorites, and sales. Analyze this data to understand what works and what can be improved in your marketing strategies. Stay updated on market trends and platform updates. Regularly check for updates on the SuperRare platform and the NFT market in general. This will help you adapt to any changes and make informed decisions about your digital art investments. Diversify your portfolio. If possible, create multiple NFTs or collaborate with other artists to expand your portfolio. This will help you maximize your earning potential and minimize risks associated with relying on a single artwork. By following these steps, you can explore the exciting world of digital art and NFTs on SuperRare and potentially make money online in 2024. Remember that patience, persistence, and a strong understanding of the market are crucial to success in this field.